Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today it's time for a health video. Because of the modernization, there is lot of stress, pollution, everything which has led to lot of ailments. And one among such ailment is acidity. So being a bio lecturer, I just give a shot to make everyone understand what is acidity and then work on the treatment part. So today I'm gonna make you all understand what is acidity exactly, but not using any scientific diagrams, any biological terms. In a very layman's method, we'll understand acidity. So please do watch the video till the end where I'll be giving you a 100% permanent remedy without investing a single penny to get rid of this acidity. I'm going to take help of my kitchen stuff to make you all understand what is acidity and how it happens. I have taken a glass bowl, so you need to imagine this to be your stomach. Yes, this is the method I'm going to use to make everyone understand how is acidity taking place. Now consider this glass bowl as your stomach. Our stomach is lined with thin layer. So I've used a tissue paper and it will always be wet. So I have put some water on the tissue paper and we'll make this tissue paper stick here. So our stomach will be lined by a thin membrane and this membrane will be wet in nature. So this is how the stomach is lined by thin membrane or a thin layer. Now, stomach has one function to do, that is always produce an acid. This acid, I'm gonna take the acid. So imagine that the stomach is constantly preparing acid. The stomach is preparing the acid, so you can see that the acid is always present inside the stomach. Now, when the food comes inside the stomach, so I am taking some semolina, we call it rava. So this food which comes inside the stomach will be of this texture. So it looks exactly like this. So I will be considering this semolina as the food. Now if the food is constantly being added, then the acid reacts with the food. The acid reacts with the food. And this will be always in a churning movement. The acid is busy breaking down the food and so it will not spoil the layer around it. Now if there is no food for say about 2 hours period, 3 hours period, the food is not going inside but only the acid is getting produced inside the stomach. So the acid content increases on and on. If you do not eat for a much more longer time, then this will be the level of production of the acid. When this amount of acid is produced, this acid will start damaging the layer. It will start damaging the layer and yes, of course, the damage will be to this extent. This layer is damaged. So when this layer gets damaged, you will start getting all the symptoms of acidity, that is the burning in the stomach. Now, the extension of this acidity, if it is continued for a longer period, I have taken a normal plastic paper, made a tube-like structure of it. This you can understand as the food pipe. So this is the food pipe through which the food comes. So the food is coming like this. If food is not coming through the pipe on a regular basis, say at least of a 2-hour gap, then this acid which is being produced in the stomach more will start getting filled inside this tube. As the acid starts getting filled inside this tube is present in the chest region, so your chest will start getting the burning sensation. This is exactly what happens in our body during acidity. Now you can ask me, what is the use of the acid that is being produced inside our body? Along with the food which is going inside our stomach will not always be hygienic. There might be a lot of microorganisms going inside it like bacteria. To kill those bacteria, this acid is required. And to break down the food molecule, enzymes are important. these enzymes are activated by this acid. So these are the two functions of that acid. So acid is very important. But when acid is produced, to its proportional ratio, the food has to be keep going on inside it. So regularly have food at least a gap of 2 hours. Now let us see the remedy part. It is the most cheap and best method. At house it's available. Again consider this as your stomach. And again we'll line it with a thin membrane or the lining. Now acid is constantly produced. As a remedy, what you're going to do is have your dinner at least 2 hours before you go to your bed. Now this is the remedy for acidity, a cheap and best method, a glass of cold milk. Now milk pH is neutral and the acid is present inside the stomach. This milk will neutralize the acidity and keeps the acid busy with the milk rather than corroding the surrounding membranes. So as you consume the milk, the acid is busy with the milk. The reason of using cold milk is it keeps the temperature of the stomach less, which is good to balance the acidity, and it will also maintain the enzymes which are acting on the milk. So by the time you get up in the morning, your body is balanced with the acid content as well as balanced with the temperature. Now the question arises that I don't like milk. What to do now? There is a super alternative available again within your houses. Take some cumin seeds and 2 or 3 leaves of tulsi. Put that into a glass of water and drink that before you go to bed. Because water is slightly lighter than the milk, it is better to use this water throughout the day whenever you consume water. I can bet on these 2 remedies that if you do it continuously for a month's time, then you can definitely get back to my video and comment below that it was useful for you. I can bet on this because it is my personal experience with me as well as my family. This remedy will work on 2 conditions, and those 2 conditions are avoid having coffee and tea or any soft drink beverages. I'm not telling you to give up your all-time tea and coffee favorite cups, but definitely start reducing the number of cups which you have in a day. The second condition is avoid citrus fruits, junk food and citrus beverages. I know it is very difficult to have a control over all these things, but definitely you can give a try to reduce them gradually. It's a humble request that do not get used to Pentacids. Pentacids will give quick relief, but definitely in a long term, they will make sure that this acid producing glands and cells are destroyed. So consuming Pentacids on a continuous basis will definitely damage your digestive capacity. So it's better to avoid Pentacids and go for this best medication, that is consuming milk or cumin and tulsi water. If you like this method of explaining acidity and its remedy, then definitely like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, then do watch my education related videos. Stay safe and stay happy.